Is Hydra Patch really the breakthrough in hydration and wellness it claims to be, or just another flashy product with clever marketing? Promising up to 8 hours of continuous hydration along with enhanced focus, energy, mental clarity, and relief from headaches, fatigue, joint pain, dry mouth, and even brain fog, Hydra Patch certainly grabs attention. It boasts 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 caffeine, and no stimulants, making it seem like the perfect choice for health-conscious users. It's also water-resistant, making it convenient for workouts, outdoor use, or even overnight application while you sleep, features not commonly seen in typical hydration products. But can a small patch on your skin really replace what your body needs through drinking water or supplements? That's where things start to feel a bit questionable. In this video, I take a closer look at the claims versus the reality, analyzing user feedback, product design, and what's actually in the patch. Some users do report feeling more alert or less fatigued after regular use, but there are also plenty of mixed reviews suggesting the results may vary from person to person, or that the perceived benefits might just be psychological. The lack of independent clinical studies and the heavy reliance on marketing buzzwords leave room for doubt. While Hydra Patch isn't necessarily a scam, it may not live up to the high expectations set by its own promises. If you're looking for a miracle product, you might be disappointed, but if you're curious and realistic, it could still be worth a cautious try.